Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you're in the right Google account because watch history is tied to that email. Once signed in, go straight to YouTube Settings, History and Privacy, and verify that Keep My Watch History is enabled. This is why history may appear off. Also, make sure you're not in incognito. It prevents logging, and sign out any other device that might be using a different account, because that can create confusion and sync conflicts. Once done with account checks, clear the local cache or browser cookies to remove stale data that blocks updates. Then enable web and app activity in your Google account, because YouTube relies on that to log and sync watch events across devices. Make sure the YouTube app is updated, and that background data and sync permissions are allowed, so watches committed offline will upload. If you use multiple devices, let them fully sync before checking history again. Finish by clearing all watch history and then intentionally watch 2 or 3 short videos to force fresh entries. This proves the system is recording again. Check history on both desktop and mobile to confirm they match, because mismatches reveal sync issues. If history still doesn't update, remove and re-add the Google account on the device, sign out other accounts, and inspect the Google activity timeline for blocked logging. That single check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.